In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files and links to a Trello card. Attachments are a simple way to keep everything related to a task in one place, whether it's a document, a screenshot, or a reference link. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option does, and a few best practices to keep your board tidy and your team aligned. First, open the card you want to work with. From your Trello board, click directly on the card's title to bring up its detailed view. This is where all the card-specific information lives: description, comments, checklists, and the area we care about today. Attachments. Next, find the attachment option. Depending on your screen size, you'll see it on the right-hand side or along the bottom of the card. It may be labeled Attachment or represented by a paperclip icon. Click that to open the attachment menu. Now, choose your source. If you want to upload a file from your computer, select Computer or attach a file from your device. Your file browser will open so you can navigate to the right folder and pick the file you need. Common formats like PDFs, images, spreadsheets, and presentations work well. For smoother collaboration, keep file names clear and concise, and avoid overly large files when possible to make loading and previews faster for everyone. If you're attaching a link, paste the full URL into the Attach a Link field. Make sure the link includes the full address, starting with HTTP or HTTPS, so Trello recognizes it properly. You can also customize the link name to something more descriptive than a long URL. This makes scanning the card much easier later. As a tip, confirm that anyone who needs access can view the destination page, especially if it's behind a login. For cloud storage, you can connect directly from this menu to platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, or OneDrive. Once connected, you'll be able to browse your folders and select the exact file you want to attach. This keeps a single source of truth, which is great for version control. Just ensure the file's sharing permissions in your cloud service match how you plan to collaborate in Trello. After you add an attachment, you'll see it listed on the card. Click it anytime to open or reference it quickly. Keeping attachments organized and clearly named helps your board stay clean and actionable. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.